Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, let's have a look at the headlines. Election Commission receives over 73,000 applications catering to diverse range of permissions on Suvidha portal. Government plans to introduce a daily flight between Shillong and New Delhi. Major fire engulfed Public Health Engineering Department storage area at Chanmari, Lomshiap. And Shat Sajer of Raj Nonglingdo under Ilaka Nongpo Sirdarship in Ribhoi district. The news in detail. The Election Commission said that over 73,000 applications have been received on the Suvidha portal in just 20 days since the announcement of General Election 2024. Recognizing the importance of the election campaign period where parties and candidates engage in activities to reach out to voters, the Suvidha portal caters to a diverse range of permission requests transparently on the first in, first out principle. It caters to permissions for organizing rallies, opening temporary party offices, door-to-door canvassing, video vans and helicopters, obtaining vehicle permits and distributing pamphlets. The Commission said more than 44,600 requests have been approved, and the first in, first out principle is ensuring a level playing field for parties and candidates. The state government plans to introduce a daily flight between Shillong and New Delhi. Commissioner and Secretary of the Transport Department Sanjay Goyal said that the government is exploring additional routes for direct flights to and from Shillong. Tenders were floated recently for bidders towards introducing direct flights from Shillong to Bengaluru, Chennai, Mumbai and Hyderabad apart from New Delhi. Appealing to the people to fly from Shillong as it saves money and time compared to using the Guwahati airport, Goyal said the government is subsidizing the flights and a passenger can fly to New Delhi at a fixed rate of Rs 7,000.
So this relates to the additional routes which the government is exploring in terms of direct connectivity from Shillong airport to the other parts of the country. As you are aware, we are having direct flights to Delhi 2 times in a week, which is Monday and Friday, for which the government is heavily subsidizing the seat cost, and it's a fixed seat cost of around 7,000 rupees for the customers, and equal amount roughly has been put as the viability gap funding from the government side.
The major fire engulfed the Public Health Engineering PHE Department storage area at Chanmari, Lomshiap on Saturday at around 2 p.m. Rang Bachnong of Lomshiap and other adjoining areas will have a meeting soon to discuss the preventive measures to avoid such deadly fire incidents in future. Rang Bachnong of Lomshiap, Pira Kongpai, said that they suspect that small children were playing with fire and must have spread over to the other side of the PHE pipes. Meanwhile, PHE Executive Engineer A. Sun informed that the initial estimated loss from the fire is around 80 to 85 lakhs.
I don't know, they playing here with some fire, I don't know, we can see, no? I think that's the cause of that.
At around 3:10, so Champira was calling this junior engineer in charge of the store. So immediately we called the police and we got the fire brigade to come. And then immediately they come. And then they tried to down the fire, but we didn't know what the cause of this fire.
Initially
around 80 to 85 lakhs, approximately.
In a bid to promote blood donation and save lives during emergencies, Sinjuk Kiseng Samlashnong Ribhoi Sepni organized a blood donation camp at Dorbar Hall, Patharkhama on Saturday. The event was held in collaboration with the Blood Bank Civil Hospital Nongpo and HDFC Bank Nongpo branch. Leaders of Sinjuk Kiseng Samlashnong Ribhoi Sepni, led by Vice Chairman Pin Shairi Thangkeo and General Secretary Damut Kinsai Watlang, along with other youths, actively participated in the camp. Dr. P. Taryang, president of Seng Samlash Nong Patharkma, Reming Singkai, among others, also attended. 12 local youths from Riboy Sepni donated blood, setting an inspiring example for others to follow suit and contribute to saving lives in times of need.
Dengan hagani ka pon ko aban tentu ye pi baro ki pai pa jong ka Riboy district ha pi kiro pi wan chakmat wan aisnam mansmo bha penshlo ye pi ba kunwan namar ba hang Riboy district ye iba ki duna bha ki nong aisnam mansmo bha e ga stop chumi ha blood center se ba sto nong ko ni barbon in judan snam but ni duna bha ka snam.
The National People's Party (NPP) convened a meeting in Beta Singh, Southwest Garo Hills, bringing together prominent political leaders from various constituencies and districts, led by Sanjay A. Sangma, MLA of Mahendraganj and in charge of Ambati constituency. The gathering included Baldam Gray MDC and EM of GHADC, Stevie M. Marak, Beta Singh MDC Sanjay Ghosh and NPP Southwest Garo Hills advisor Clement G. Momin. Focused on addressing regional challenges and planning for the future, the meeting saw active participation from attendees. Discussion centered on key developmental issues and strategies to enhance governance effectiveness. The Regional Democratic Alliance (RDA) held the election campaign at Kinshi Village, Mauthat Drashan constituency on Saturday. While addressing the meeting, RDA candidate Robert June Karjarin said that the RDA wants the people to understand the principles of the party and to speak the truth and justice of the democracy. He also said that it is time to change the mindset on how to know the truth, leaders, and also to get the freedom. In order to preserve one of the famous traditional dances of Raj Nonglingdo in Riboy district, locally known as Shat Sajer, the Dorbar Raj Nonglingdo under Ilaka Nongpo Sirdarship on Saturday organized the Shat Sajer as to showcase the identity and culture. The event was organized at the sacred grove of Raj Nonglingdo and performed by the local troupe. Additional Deputy Commissioner of Riboy District Raja Brahma graced the occasion as the chief guest and the President of Sinjuk Kirangbachnong Bibi Makdo as the guest of honor among others. It may be noted that this Shat Sajer was also performed annually before the sowing season. In a few days from now, Muslims all across the world, as well as the northeastern state of Meghalaya, will witness celebration of Eid ul-Fitr. The festival marks a time for Muslims to rejoice and show gratitude towards the Prophet, seeking blessings for all that the Almighty has bestowed. Here is a report.
In context of this widely revealed fate, DD News explored the many facets mounting up to the big day, as well as gestures of humanitarianism, benevolence and compassion that paint the picture complete. In the build-up to the celebration of Eid, Muslims observe a period of fasting during the month-long Ramadan, in which Muslims fast from dawn, Fajr, till dusk, Maghrib, and during which the practitioners observe the principles of sacrifice, patience and charity with those that are less fortunate. A prominent citizen of Shillong, Sayyidullah Nongrum, said that after Ramzan, Eid ul-Fitr will be celebrated on April, even as he said that a sense of festival is spreading of love for everyone.
Eid ul-Fitr will be solemnized on the 11th of April, that after fasting a 1 month of Holy Ramadan, the Eid al-Fitr will be celebrated all over the country. We should remember the day with gain, joy and heartiest friendship with the common people.
The mosque during Ramadan also witnesses huge number of faithful turning up for prayers. Similarly, this festival is about youths and children as they spread the message of patience and spreading love. The Imam of one of the mosques in Shillong, Kezer Raza, pointed out that youths and children should play more proactive role in spreading the message of love and joy, which this festival propagates.
कि वो हमारे नौजवान जो यहाँ वहाँ भटक रहे हैं, बेहतर है, अच्छा है कि दीन से जुड़े रहे ताकि हमारे दीन में भी, दीन के लिए भी फ़ायदा हो, हमारे मुल्क के लिए भी फ़ायदा हो, हमेशा अमन व सलामती का गहवारा बना रहे, अमन व सलामती का पैगाम एक दूसरे को बांटता रहे। और ईद कहते भी उसे है कि लोगों के दरमियान खुशियां बांटना, आपस में प्यार मोहब्बत बांटना। आपस में जब प्यार मोहब्बत बांटेंगे, खुशी बांटेंगे, एक दूसरे से मिलेंगे जुलेंगे तो इससे बेहतर मैसेज जाएगा और लोगों के दरमियान भी मतलब कि अच्छा पैगाम जाएगा।
Many shops in Shillong are also selling various delicacies such as sawaya, dates, etc. as they are commonly eaten during this festive season. Bureau Report, DD News, Meghalaya.
And now for the weather report. Maximum temperature recorded 27.8 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature recorded 16.4 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 57%. Relative humidity in the evening was 35%. The forecast: light to moderate rain and thunder shower is likely to occur at few places. Before we wind up, let's have a look at the headlines once again. Election Commission received over 73,000 applications catering to diverse range of permission on Suvidha portal. Government plans to introduce a daily flight between Shillong and New Delhi. Major fire engulfed Public Health Engineering Department storage area Chanmari, Longxiao. And Shat Sajer of Raj Nonglingdo under Ilaka Nongpo Sirdarship in Ribhoi district. And that's all we have for today. Do tune us again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you.